Hey, it's Jake from Network Nerve, and welcome to your third tutorial on PHP. In this tutorial, I'll be covering if statements. Basically, what an if statement is a piece of code that's used to run based on a condition. Basically, to make decisions on the data it has. And it's used all over in programming. It's kind of hard to make a program without an if statement. So, let's just make a variable. Have it as 5. And then the way you'd make an if statement is you type in if, space, and then put 2 parentheses, and then make a statement inside the parentheses, like x is bigger than 3. And then use the curly braces to tell it where the code is based on the if statement. So we could say x is bigger than 3. So if we go to our web browser and refresh, it says 5 is bigger than 3. So what happens if x isn't bigger than 3? We could make an else statement saying x is less than 3. And let's just change x to 1. And then refresh, x is less than 3. So we could also make some sort of if statement with a name. Say like name equals Jake, and then if name equals Jake, echo you are Jake, and executes because we're Jake. And the way you'd use else statement in this kind of situation, make an else statement that you are not Jake. Let's just change your name to Tim, and you are not Jake. So one thing I want to point out is if you're using just one line, you don't actually need these curly braces. You can do it this way, and it will work. But just remember that it only executes one line after the if statement, so if you have more than one line that executes, you need to use curly braces. Let's just save this and run it, and it does the same thing. So it's basically the gist of if statements. If you guys have any questions or want to see more examples, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you.